All right, welcome to this class. Today, I want to take us through another concept as to how to simplify fractions without needing to lean on finding LCM. So all you need to do here, if you have to solve this kind of a situation, you have 3 over 4 plus 5 over 3 to simplify here. You need not find any LCM here. All you need to do here is just to draw your division line and then start by taking these denominators together, such as what we are seeing here, 4 times 3. And then the next thing to do now is to just crisscross this 3 by this 3, and then we have 9. And then 4 by 5, you have 20. And then from here, we have 9 plus 20 to give 29 over 4 times 3, we have 12. And then this 29 over 12 is an improper fraction, so you will need to make this fraction a mixed number. So 12 can get into 29 twice, and then we have a remainder of 5 over 12. So this is the answer. Then over to this question, you also apply the same idea. By timesing these two denominators together, we have 3 times 4, and then from here, quickly cross multiply 4 by 5 to give 20, minus 3 multiplied by 3, you have 9. And this should be given from the numerator here, we have 20 minus 9 to give 11, and the denominator is given 3 by 4 to give 12. Of course, 11 over 12, people of God, is a simple fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction that is highly proper. So now the procedure is just to get these two denominators, multiply together, such as what you are seeing here, and then crisscross from this direction. 5 by 4, 20 minus 3 by 3, you have 9. And then you have the next one saying 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8. So draw your division line, times these numerators together, such as 4 times 8, then crisscross here by here. So 1 times 8, or 8 times 1, should be given 8, plus 3 multiplied by 4, we have 12. And 8 plus 12 is 20 over 4 times 8, we have 32. Of course, this 20 over 32 is a reducible fraction, so there's still something that can wrap around 20 and 32. Of course, let's take advantage of 2. 2 goes into 20 10 times, 2 goes into 32 16 times, 2 can still go. 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 16 8 times. You must always try and reduce your fraction to the lowest term. Very, very crucial. Too crucial. Now, we have another set of fractions looking for an answer here. You have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6. Now, this case demands that these 3 denominators be multiplied together as well. We have 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6. Now, we are going to be doing something fun here. We'll be blocking and multiplying out some values. So for here, if you want to take on this aspect, you will need to have this area blocked and then times the remaining, the surviving elements, the surviving figures here together. So we have 4 times 6 to give 24. Then the 24 times it by this very figure, which is 1. So basically, we are doing 24 times 1, which is 24. Plus, now we are not here. We are taking on this environment. So this denominator must be blocked out. And then the remaining denominators will be made multiplied together. And then we have 2 times 6. 2 multiplied by 6 will give 12. And the very 12 times the numerator upon which we are operating, we have 36. So this should be given 36. And then we are now on, okay, this is now minus and not plus. So put your minus here, your minus sign. And then here, will be made blocked out, and then take advantage of the surviving denominators. We have 2 multiplied by 4 to give 8. Then 8 multiplied by 1, we have 8. Now, we still have example 5 that looks like example 4. So please, if you have not yet understood what we just did now, please pay attention, pay more attention to the process of solving question 5. Now, so 24 plus 36 is 60. 60 minus 8 is 52 over 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 6, you have 48. Of course, this is highly reducible. 2 can wrap around. 2 goes into 52 26 times, and 2 goes into 48 24 times. 2 can still go, you have 13. 2 can still go here, you have 12. 13 over 12 is an improper fraction, so make this a mixed number. So 12 gets into 13 once with a remainder of 1. So we have one whole number, 1 over 12. And then in the same way, we shall be taking advantage of these 3 denominators by timesing them together, such as what we are saying on the board. So as usual, now we are not going to be solving directly, as much as we have done to those with just 2 fractions, but here we're having 3 fractions. So you will need for us, there will be the need for us to block these 3 first, and then take advantage of the surviving numbers here. So we have 4 multiplied by 5 to give 20, then the 20 times 8. So we have 160 minus this minus. Then we are now here. So block this 4, and then times the remaining denominators together. So 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15. 15 times 1, we have 15. Minus this minus. Now we are now here. This environment, 5 needs to be blocked out, and then multiply the remainders together. So 4 times 3, we give 12. Then 12 times 3, we have 36. So from here, 160 minus 15 will give us 145. And 145 minus 36 will give us 109. Over 3 times 4, 12, 20 times 5, we have 60. Okay, so 60 can get into 109 one time. So once. And then we have a remainder of 49 over 60. And that's all. So for question 6, we have 2 number 3 over 4 minus, okay, we are having a set of mixed numbers. So the need to change mixed numbers to improper fractions has now come. So 4 into 2, we have 8. 8 plus 3, we have 11 over 4 minus 2 times 1, we have 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. So I believe you should be able to take on the remaining part. So this